Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how see available random access memory on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Start off opening your settings application, and then we must activate our develop mode. To do this, scroll down and choose about phone selection, where we have our software information. In it we must tap sometimes on our build number and enter our look screen to get connected to that and activate our develop mode. Now we can go back and choose our software update and not software update about developer option. It's new selection in our settings and their memory. And now we have all information about our available random access memory that now is 2.5 gigabytes. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.